Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Make Stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird feeder. So I've already, as you can see, tied a knot and made a hole in the apple. That's what you have to do first. Make a hole in the apple and just slide the string through and make like a hole on top so you can hang it on top of the tree or wherever you want it to be. And then you need 2 sticks. And you would have to tie them together like a crisscross, a crossway, and tie them together. Max is sleeping already. Okay, so it has to be attached like that, so you can hang it up, and the birds can rest over here and eat as well. And these are some seeds that I'm gonna be using just for design, so they can eat that as well on top of here. So first, I'm just going to be tying these 2 sticks together. I'm going to show you after I did that. Okay guys, this is not the permanent spot yet. It's just like a basic spot. I might change it later, but this is it. This is where the birds are gonna like stand, sit, whatever, and eat this. As you can see now, this was an old one that we bought, and we just used to put food in here, and they used to eat it from the holes. But I decided to make another one. It was not a school project, but just like a boredom, because as we're in lockdown right now and it's boring now and then, so I decided to make a bird feeder, guys. And I hope you like this video and enjoyed, and will make this if you want. Stay safe, don't go outside if you don't need to, and bye bye.